Well, when I was researching plastic surgeons, my mom and I think we made like 5 or 6 appointments within the span of like a couple of weeks. And most plastic surgeons offer, free consultation kind of a thing. And I went and I saw Dr. Turk first, and I told my mom, I was like, I think we should just go ahead and cancel all the other appointments because I don't need to see anyone else. I mean, you go in there, he calls you, honey, sweetie, he's like, you're going to look great. Makes you feel like you're his daughter or his, niece or something like that. So he makes you feel, like you're really taken care of and you don't really even want to go see anyone else. Well, I think I was nervous because I was 18 when I had my surgery. So I think you're definitely nervous. It was the first time I had ever been put under or anything like that. So I think he could tell that I was a little bit nervous. So I think he was more, catering to that kind of an aspect, just making me feel like he was going to take really good care of me and that I had nothing to worry about. And all the staff was the same way. They just make you feel like, you're one of their own and that they're not going to let anything happen to you and just comforting you the whole way through.
Well, after having 4 children and my last child at the age of 41, you see changes in your body that your body doesn't respond like it did when you were in your 20s. So I just noticed that I wasn't recovering quite like I did before, and I needed just a little extra help. So I went to see Dr. Turk, and he fine-tuned some items for me. Well, I started with the facility first because it was originally the Cleveland Clinic, and then it became Physicians Regional, and I knew that the facility was fabulous, and I felt like I was in really good hands being right there at the hospital, and not in a outpatient center where I wouldn't have emergency care if it was necessary. So I felt very safe with Dr. Turk.
He made me feel very relaxed. He informed me every step of the way what he was going to do, how he was going to do it, what he was doing at the time, outcome, the amount of time that it was going to take. Every aspect of everything that he did for me was thoroughly gone over. He informed me very well, didn't even have to go Google it. And he was just great, and his staff is just great. I have been extremely happy with the results of every procedure that Dr. Turk has done. It has exceeded my expectations. I've been very happy. It's been not so dramatic that people go, oh,
She's had something done.
Yeah, because it looks so natural and it looks so good. I think he just has done a great job on every procedure. I like the fact that I can go in his office and I can get everything from a facial to whatever procedure that I would like to have done by him. But I really like the fact that it's a full service office, and that you can get just about everything that you could possibly want in one office.
And that's one of the things too that I liked about Dr. Turk from the beginning was he sort of has this philosophy that if you kind of stay ahead of the game, the aging game, yes, I guess, and just do small things along the way, that it's much less noticeable, and I think it's just a more graceful process. And I like his philosophy about that. Mm-hmm. So that I could relate to that.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you, Dr. Turk.